If you've ever opened your editing software, stared at the timeline, and thought, there has to be an easier way, then this video is about to save you weeks of frustration and probably hundreds of dollars. I spent the last 30 days testing 50 different AI video editing tools so you don't have to. Some were hyped like crazy. Some looked powerful on paper. And honestly, most of them were a complete waste of time. But 5 of them absolutely slayed. They didn't just save time. They made my videos better. Faster edits, smoother cuts, better captions, smarter B-roll, and even automatic storytelling. And in this video, I'm breaking down exactly which 5 are worth your attention and which ones you should avoid completely. Before we jump in, if you love discovering smart ways to use AI to grow on YouTube and build real income online, make sure you hit like and subscribe right now. This is AI Side Hustle, and every week I test tools, strategies, and side hustles so you don't waste your time. Trust me, you're going to want more videos like this. So here's what I did. I didn't just sign up and click around for 5 minutes. I took one long-form YouTube video script and edited it 50 different times, using 50 different AI tools. Primera tested AutoCut features, caption generators, background removal, AI, B-roll suggestions, voice cleanup, script-to-video automation, repurposing for shorts, and even thumbnail suggestions. I tracked how long each tool took, how much manual correction was needed, how good the final result looked, and whether I would actually use it on my own channel. And let me tell you something important. AI video editing tools are not equal. Some promise one-click viral videos. That's not real, but some genuinely feel like having an assistant editor working with you. That's what we're looking for. At first, I was overwhelmed. There are tools for everything: auto editing, AI clipping, text-based editing, automatic subtitles, AI avatars, smart resizing, podcast editing, color grading, thumbnail generators. It's endless. And the marketing pages all look amazing. Clean dashboards. Big claims. 10x your productivity. Edit in seconds. Go viral instantly. But once you log in, reality hits. One of the first patterns I noticed was that many tools are just wrappers around basic features. They slap AI on trimming silence or adding captions. That's not true AI editing. That's just automation. So I started getting stricter. If the tool didn't actually improve storytelling or save serious time, it didn't make the cut. The first big category one tested was text-based editing tools. These tools convert your video into text and let you edit the video by editing the transcript. This concept alone is powerful. Instead of scrubbing through a timeline, you just delete sentences from the text and the video cuts automatically. For creators who talk to the camera, this is a game changer. Out of all the transcript-based editors, one of the strongest performers was this. I uploaded my raw talking head footage, and within minutes, it generated a full transcript. The accuracy was surprisingly good. I could highlight filler words like you know and like, and remove them in bulk. That alone saved me at least 20 minutes per video. But what impressed me most was the overdub feature. If I mispronounced a word, I didn't have to I just typed the correction and it matched my voice. That's next level convenience. It wasn't perfect. Sometimes the tone felt slightly artificial, but for quick corrections, it was powerful. However, Descript wasn't flawless. The interface can feel heavy. Rendering can lag, and for more complex visual edits, I still needed another tool. So, while it's strong for talking head editing and podcasts, it's not a full replacement for advanced editors. Then I tested CapCut Desktop. I know some people see it as a TikTok app, but the AI features are surprisingly good. Auto captions were fast and stylish. Background removal was shockingly accurate, and the autocut feature that detects silence and awkward pauses worked really well. For short-form content especially, CapCut performed incredibly strong. The interface is smooth, and export times were fast. For a free tool, it honestly slayed in value. But where CapCut really impressed me was AI B-roll suggestions. I highlighted part of my script about analyzing data, and it suggested relevant stock footage automatically. Was it perfect? No. But it gave me a starting point that saved serious time. Instead of searching manually for 10 minutes, I could swap suggestions quickly. Next, I tried This tool is designed for turning scripts into videos automatically. I pasted my script in, and it generated scenes, added stock footage, captions, and background music. At first glance, it felt magical. But when I watched the full output, I noticed something. The pacing felt robotic. The visuals didn't always match the emotional tone. It was fine for basic informational videos, but not strong enough for storytelling-driven content. Still, for faceless channels, it's a huge time saver. Then came one of my favorites, Opus Clip. This tool focuses on turning long videos into viral short clips. I uploaded a 20-minute video, and it automatically detected highlight moments. It added dynamic captions, emojis, zoom-ins, and reframed the video for vertical format. And here's the crazy part. Some of the clips it selected were genuinely strong hooks. It understands pacing and engagement better than most tools I tested. For creators who want to repurpose content into shorts, this one absolutely slaps. Another serious contender was Runway. This tool felt more advanced and creative. Background removal, object removal, AI motion tracking, text-to-video experiments. It's more for creators who want cinematic edits. It's not beginner-friendly, but if you want power, it's there. I used it to remove an unwanted object from my background, and the result was clean. That kind of tool used to require expensive software and heavy skills. I also tested tools like WiseCut for automatic jump cuts, Synthesia for AI avatars, Veed for browser-based editing, Filmora's AI features, and many more. Some were good. Some were average. Some overpromised and under. After testing all 50, here's what I realized. The real winners are not the ones that try to do everything. The winners are the ones that specialize and do one thing extremely well. The 5 that truly slayed for me were Descript for transcript editing, CapCut for fast short-form AI edits, Opus Clip for viral repurposing, Runway for creative AI effects, and one more that surprised me deeply, Adobe Premiere Pro's AI tools. Yes, traditional software is now packed with AI, The new AI-powered features like auto-reframe, speech enhancements, and text-based editing inside Premiere are extremely powerful. The speech enhancement alone cleaned up my audio better than some dedicated audio tools, and because it's integrated into a professional timeline, you get flexibility plus AI speed. That balance is powerful. But let's talk honestly about cost. Some of these tools are subscription-based. If you subscribe to all of them, you'll burn money fast. So, here's my personal stack after testing everything. For long-form YouTube videos, I use Premiere for main editing and AI cleanup. For cutting mistakes fast, I sometimes use Descript first. For shorts, Opus Clip saves hours. For quick social edits, CapCut is perfect. And for creative experiments, Runway is my playground. The biggest mistake creators make is chasing every new AI tool. You don't need 50. You need a focused workflow. AI should remove friction, not create more confusion. Something else surprised me during this experiment. AI tools don't automatically make your content better. They make it faster. The quality still depends on your script, your hook, your storytelling. If your content is boring, I won't save it. But if your content is strong, I will amplify it. Around day 20 of testing, I hit burnout. Switching tools constantly is exhausting. Different dashboards, different export settings, different credit systems. That's when I realized something important for the AI side hustle community. Tool hunting is exciting, but systems win long term. So instead of asking, what's the newest AI editor? Ask, what part of my editing is slow? Is it cutting silence? Is it adding captions? Is it resizing for shorts? Solve that specific pain point. Then pick the best tool for that job. One more thing I tracked was render time. Some browser-based tools took forever to export. That kills productivity. Desktop tools were usually faster. Also, AI caption accuracy varied a lot. Some tools struggled with certain accents, so always double check before publishing. Now, let me share something practical. If you're a beginner YouTuber with zero budget, here's the smartest move. Start with CapCut Desktop. It gives you captions, auto cuts, background removal, and basic AI features for free. As you grow and start making money, then upgrade to more advanced tools. If you're already monetized and serious, invest in a professional editor with AI features built in. That balance is key. Another hidden gem was automatic thumbnail suggestion features inside some tools. Most were average, but AI thumbnail analyzers that predict CTR are becoming interesting. They're not perfect, but they help you test variations faster. Throughout this journey, I kept asking one question. Would I trust this tool with my main channel? If the answer wasn't a confident yes, it didn't make the top 5. And here's the emotional part no one talks about. AI editing reduces friction, which reduces procrastination. When editing feels lighter, you create more. When you create more, you improve faster. That's the real advantage. I also noticed something about creativity. When repetitive tasks are automated, your brain has more energy for storytelling. Instead of trimming silence for 40 minutes, you can focus on improving your hook or tightening your message. By the end of 30 days, my workflow felt sharper. My videos were getting done faster, and I wasn't stressed about small mistakes because AI could fix them quickly. But I want to be very honest, AI is not magic. It still makes mistakes. Auto captions misinterpret words. Auto-biroll can feel generic. Auto-clip-in sometimes misses context. You still need human judgment. If you're building a YouTube automation channel, especially in the AI niche, these tools can massively increase output, but never let automation remove personality. Viewers connect with clarity, energy, and value. As we move forward, AI editing will only get better. Real-time editing suggestions, automated pacing analysis, emotion-based B-roll matching. It's coming. But right now, today, these 5 tools genuinely stood out from 50. They saved time, they improved output, and they felt reliable. If you're still watching, you're serious about improving your workflow. So, here's what I want you to do. In the comments, tell me what part of video editing you hate the most. Is it cutting pauses, adding captions, finding B? I read every comment, and your answers help shape future videos on AI side hustle. And if you found this breakdown helpful, share it with another creator who's overwhelmed by AI tools. There's too much noise out there. Let's focus on what actually works. Remember, tools don't build channels. Systems do, and smart creators use AI as leverage, not a crutch. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.